and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel. Today I'm going to unbox two sets. One is a happy birthday to you outfit and one is extra sweet birthday party set. These are newly released items. I went to American Girl Place NYC yesterday and there was a private event for that release, and there's a video uploaded on our channel. If you haven't seen it, I'll put the link to it in the description box below. And by the way, if you are new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. I will start with the Happy Birthday to You outfit, which retails at $34. This is the box, and in the bottom corner it says matching dress for girls available. I don't know if it's new. It seems pretty new to me. Anyway, this is the new Happy Birthday outfit, and I prefer the previous version of it. I liked it better. When I saw the leaked images of this outfit at first, I did not like it at all, but when I saw it in real life, I kind of liked it, and I decided why not. I also like how it has these sequins on the dress. They're like mermaid scales, so cool. So this is what the dress looks like, and the sequins can go up and down, and they're just the same color. They're not different colors on the top or the bottom. The shape of this dress is very simple, but what makes it unique is the combination of different textures, different types of fabric. Look at the sequins. You see, there are actually stripes there. Underneath the sequins, there are stripes of three colors, three different shades of pink, and it really depends on the lighting and the angle. Oh, now you can see the stripes, right? So we just had to change the angle of the light a little bit, and now you can see the stripes. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Let me know in the comments if you like this dress, or you like the older Happy Birthday dress better. I do like the older one better. Anyway, here are the sleeves. They are made out of 3 layers of mesh fabric, and it's a decent quality fabric. The dress is very well made. Everything, all the seams are very even, and I know it's really hard to work with sequins fabric. The dress is fully lined. Nothing is, no loose threads or anything. Look, everything is finished so well. So the dress is really good quality, and I don't think it will get damaged during play just because it's so well made and so sturdy. If you have a doll with long hair, there's a potential issue of the hair getting tangled in the sequins. We had this issue before with some other outfits. I don't know if this will be an issue with this one. Now let's take a look at the headband. And the headband is pretty basic. It's just like a usual headband shape with the little thing on top. It says Happy Birthday and some ruffles. So the headband itself is made out of this pink plastic. It's almost see-through and has glitter in it. And here are the ruffles. They're the same fabric as the sleeves on the dress. And now let's take a look at the boots. They made out of this pink shiny vinyl. They are really cute. It's a little bit too much sparkle for me, but they are adorable. And I like how the shape is not too simple. It has this little detail in the front that makes them different. And they have a tiny little heel, as you can see here. Let me know in the comments what you think about this outfit. Let me know if you prefer it over the previous birthday outfit. I still like the previous version better, but it is pretty cute. It's a little bit too much pink for my personal taste, but I know some people love pink, so the quality is good. That I can tell you for sure. And if you're okay with paying $34 for this set, you won't be disappointed with the quality. I decided to use Tiana to model this outfit, and I don't really dress my Disney dolls a lot in modern clothes, so I decided to fix that. I think she looks pretty good in it. Let me just fluff up that sleeve. Yeah, I think this is a really super adorable outfit. It's a little bit too much pink for my personal taste, but it is still super adorable, especially for a younger child. and it is so well made and sturdy. Now let's take a look at the extra sweet $50. The previous version of this set came with more pieces and retailed at $80. I think it's a cart. It comes with a cart, and it's still available on American Girl website. Let me show you these two pieces of cotton candy that come in this set. I think they're so cool. So this fluffy part is made out of kind of fur, I guess, like a faux fur, soft faux fur thing. It's really soft, fluffy, squishy. I think the texture is excellent for cotton candy. See that? You can squish it really easily. And I kind of hate the tag. I'm gonna cut the tags off later on. But yeah, you can see one is pink, one is light teal. They have sticks on the bottom, and they have those plastic things that go around your doll's fingers so she could hold them. I actually really like these. So cute. Overall, this set reminds me of a birthday party set from My Life As, which was much cheaper, but the quality was definitely not quite as good as this set. The color scheme is very similar though. Now let's take a look at the party hats. So the party hats are made of hard plastic. There are fuzzy pom-poms and stretchy string that goes around a doll's face so it stays on a doll's head. This set also comes with two forks. They are metal and they're this nice golden color. Obviously they're not made of gold, but they do look like they are, and they're really cute and they have a very solid feel. So yeah, very simple shape, very minimalistic, very adorable. I like when American Girl uses metal. It just, makes their sets feel more special. The next thing is this ice cream cone, and it's kind of flat on the top, so you can use it to decorate the cake that comes in the set, or you can use it to pretend that the ice cream cone fell on the floor or on the table. It kind of flattened on the bottom and started melting. Anyway, it is really cute. I think it is cute. Overall, this set is kind of more of a play set than the others in a way that you can customize the look that the cake looks. So that's a very interesting concept. We also got a cake server in this set. It's made out of metal, just like the forks, and it's also spray painted with this golden color, which is the same color as the forks as well. I think it's really cute. You can definitely use it for other things. If you dolls have a bakery or any other kind of sweets shop, you can definitely use it there. We got a cake stand. It's pink and it's plastic, and it kind of works like Lazy Susan. It turns around like that, and it does not unscrew if you turn it. So I think that's pretty cool. And it has an American Girl star on top right here. So yeah, pretty simple. What are we gonna take next? Oh, the plates. So this set comes with two plates, and they have this interesting rainbow pattern. I really like this shape for plates. I think the first time I saw it was in Blair's restaurant. So cute. It's kind of, I guess, spray painted. I thought those were stickers, but they're not. They're more part of a plate than stickers. So yeah, super cute. The color of the plates is kind of light blue, and then there's this rainbow pattern and the white part in the middle. We also got a happy birthday banner. So there are two pieces. One says happy and the other one says birthday, and each of them has a string so you can hang it for a setup. The paper is pretty solid. It's more of a cardstock than regular paper, regular printing paper. So it is definitely high quality. The letters are printed in gold. I think it's really cute. I'm personally not the biggest fan of pink and teal together. So here we got pink, teal, and purple. I guess it's okay. It's just not my favorite. I still like the previous version of the birthday cake a little bit better. Next, we got the cake itself, and the cake is kind of different from the previous cake that we had. If you remember, the previous cake would play Happy Birthday song. This one does not play anything, but it's still a very, very playable piece. It has all these pieces like frosting that come off. The bottom part that goes around also comes off, and American Girl calls it sprinkle frosting band. And now we can take the cake slices from the cake. So we got this big cake piece and 2 more pieces that you can also use as cake slices, individual cake slices, or you can put them back with the cake and present it like that. So it can be like a really simple cake that's just covered with this teal frosting, and you can create different versions of the cake. You have 2 options for toppers. You can use this ice cream as a cake topper, which is cute. I think this is really cute. And the set also comes with another version of a topper. It's a meringue topper. Let me show it to you. It does look like meringues. It has yellow and teal and pink in it and a little bit of purple. So yeah, this could be used as a cake topper. This is what it would look like if you decide not to add any of those things with sprinkles. Oh, this is what the inside of the cake looks like. The colors are not in the same order as they are in a rainbow, but they are 5 colors of the rainbow, and the cake is really cute. So here is the sprinkles band that goes around, and you kind of push it down. It's gonna keep all these pieces together so the cake stays together. And this is the frosting part that goes on top. And again, you just do this and it stays together as one piece if you don't want to use the cake slices as separate pieces. And let me try 2 different looks with 2 different toppers, and I think they both work. These are slightly different looks, but they're pretty similar. Did you see the sprinkles on the ice cream that matched the frosting? Yeah, they definitely did that on purpose. And now you can serve the slices as separate pieces, as individual pieces, and you can put the sprinkle parts and the frosting back on the cake. This kind of looks weird to me, but you know what? It's a play piece, and I think kids will have a lot of fun with it. I think playability wise, this might be a better piece than the cake from the previous set. As an adult collector, I like the look of the previous set better. I like that it plays Happy Birthday, but I think for kids, this might be a better set if they like the colors and the color combination. This is everything that came in the set. This is $50, and I know some people think that is too expensive for what you get. Yeah, I agree. It probably is a little bit too expensive, but remember, American Girl just raised their prices, so that's what it is. Let me know in the comments what you think about these 2 sets. Remember, yesterday I showed you a Well-A-Wishers birthday set, and I'm not going to purchase it because we have enough Well-A-Wishers stuff. But if you are, let me know in the comments as well. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.